going on, guys? It's your boy TalTrex. So as you guys know from my snaps, I think I have been uploading snaps regarding my gym and all that stuff. So as you guys know, I have been hitting the gym and I have been gaining a bit of muscle mass here and there. So I thought, why not I guide some of you all as well on how you guys can actually increase how much muscle mass you actually gain while doing the gym. Now I've done for a month and no joke, my physique has definitely changed for the best. I have been gaining some mass. You can kind of faintly see the you can say the cuts. My biceps have actually solidified and no joke, they have increased in mass. This was the first time I ever actually saw my biceps showing results, and also my chest is now a little bit lifted as well. Before it was just, I don't know what, like grandma tits. I have grandma tits. What the So yeah, I thought, why not, but this time while I was doing the gym, I was actually doing some research as well into, okay, if I want to do bodybuilding, what do I need to do? Yes, I'm planning to do a bit of bodybuilding, some body toning, and I'm gonna be doing all that. So yeah, you're gonna see a whole new me within the next year or something. So the one thing that I did find out was that if I'm lifting weights, I need a diet containing high amount of protein. Now me personally, eating meat every day was not a viable option. So I thought, maybe I look into protein shakes. And then I saw the prices. The whey protein, that was like just 200 dirhams. That amount of money, it's not really there for me right now, because I normally buy these things out of my pocket money and I don't have any right now. So I thought I cannot just give up right there. I did some more research into fruits, vegetables that are high in protein, and I eventually came across a video where the guy was talking about different types of fruits and vegetables and which ones are high in protein, which one we can actually blend and use as a protein shake. So today I'm going to be giving you my own personalized protein shake. You can also add protein powder to it, like 50 grams of it, but you don't really need it because the fruits and the ingredients of this shake are pretty high in protein as well. So without further ado, let me show you guys what are the ingredients in the TalTrex's protein shake. So here we go. Alright, so this protein shake only consists of 3 super simple ingredients that you guys can find anywhere at your local grocery store or any supermarket. So the first one is a banana. You need a whole ripe banana like this, yellow. A little bit of bruising, it's fine, doesn't matter. So the second ingredient is actually peanut butter. Yes, you guys heard me. Peanut butter is an ingredient in my protein shake. The third and the final ingredient is milk. Now you guys can, if you guys are planning to lose weight, you guys can actually use low fat milk, or like you can say, what do you call this? Not condensed, yeah.
You're so dumb. You are really dumb, for real.
Just low fat milk. You guys can just use low fat milk if you guys are planning to lose weight. But me personally, I think I'm on my ideal weight. So me just personally, I just use the normal milk. Alright, so now that we have our ingredients in, I normally use a juicer to actually blend them all together. And so I'm gonna tell you the quantity of each and every ingredient. Milk, 500 milliliters. Milk, you have to use 500 milliliters of milk. Just 2 tablespoons of peanut butter and 1 entire banana. Blend them all together, no sugar, no nothing. You blend them all together and you have your own personalized protein shake. Alright, one more tip. When you're basically, I just added the milk and the peanut butter. Also, if you want like a really a quick blend, like if you want your shake to not take a lot of time to actually beat and blend the banana, like break this sized cubes, not cubes, like this sized, you can say, break the banana into these sizes and just insert them in there. Just plop them in there, like just normal, like this. I know my banana's bruised a bit, but it doesn't matter, these bruises are still edible. So yes, now that the ingredients are all in, let me just wash my hands and plug this bad boy in and make myself protein shake. Alright, that's about it. Like just 3 ingredients, simple to get from any store in the world: peanut butter, milk, and banana. That's it. blend it all together, and you have your own homemade protein shake. Like I said, for those of you who can afford protein shakes, can also add 50 grams of protein powder in there. But me personally, I don't have that right now, so I'm just going to use this. And also, I also spoke to my gym trainer. He was like, yes, this is quite good. He would always like kind of advise me that before I do lift weights, after my cardio, he used to tell me eat at least half of a banana, because that will help you in lifting up weights. And no joke, it actually works for me, because I remember one day I forgot to eat the banana, and no joke, just carrying the normal amount of weight that I used to do was difficult. Normally I do like 15 reps and 4 sets of everything, but it alters. Like for those machines that are easy for me to do, I do 4 sets. For those who are a bit difficult, I do 3 sets. So yeah, and like I said, this protein shake is also one more advice. This protein shake is very heavy, like it's super heavy. If you drink this before cardio, you are going to throw up. If I do drink this before cardio, I am going to suffer, because this is actually quite heavy and all that stuff. So yeah, that's about it, guys. If you guys enjoyed it, this tutorial of how to make a homemade protein shake, make sure you do show some love, smash the like button, and tell me if you guys are going to the gym, and tell me if this stuff actually works for you, because for me, alhamdulillah, it's been working really good. No joke, my month is nearly about to end. I'm going to inshallah by February I'm going to be going to Pakistan, so I'm going to be doing like more gym till then. And even after I go to Pakistan, I'm going to just take a whole year membership, so because over there it's a bit cheaper. So yeah, anyways, tell me, like, honestly guys, tell me in the comments down below 2 things. Did you like the taste of this one? Because I personally love it. It's like a banana shake, but like with a little bit of that peanut butter goodness. And second, tell me if you guys actually when you guys lift weights, tell me if this actually helps you or not. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you really find this tutorial helpful. And if you guys did, obviously make sure to show some love, like button, subscribe button, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Till then, peace. And before the peace part, I am sorry for the lack of videos. It's because I had a part-time job at Adidas. If you guys are updated on my Instagram, if you guys do know me from there, you guys know that I've been doing part-time job at Adidas. That's why I haven't been able to upload much. So someone's calling me, so I gotta go. So yeah, peace.